Hello and welcome to On the Patio with Mr. D. Hey, today I'm going to be answering a question I get a lot, and it's with regards to the Expedition Elite with Rudder Kit. How to fold it. So I'm going to run you through that, so let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and remove the rudder from the end cap and just kind of lay it off to the side. It's not that big a deal. All right, the next thing you want to do is fold your craft like normal. I mean, it's not that big a deal. Make sure your inserts are out and not tangled up in any of the cabling. Right before the fin, do your first fold. Push out and expel any extra air that you have. Right after the landing plate, I fold that over. Now this is where you want to feel where your foot parts are and where they end. They end right here, so that's real critical as far as the fold goes. Next thing I do is take this end, flip it right at where those end. Now take this end, bring it up over the top. Now it's ready to be bagged, so let's go ahead and bag it up. As I've stated earlier in other videos, I always like to take the two-fold end and put it into the bag first. Just seems easier. So I just lift this end up, drop it in. Now this is where I bring the bag up and lift it like a sleeve. Okay, now you take your inserts and place them in between the folds, and then lay your cabling right up on top. All right, guys, then we have some accessories to put away. Where these two folds are, I like to put the thwart bag and set it in here. The frame stiffener I put up on top when I'm done. The rudder I put along the fold inside. Then I finish up with the seat, drop it into place, put the frame in. Now this is where I do little things different. I make sure everything is done. Then I lay it on its side. This makes it easier to zip up. Okay, tuck that away. Go ahead and hook up your straps. And guys, that's how you fold the Expedition Elite with Rudder Kit installed. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope that answers your questions. Hey, we'll see you on the next one.